Started from the code, now we run the whole globe. Sending rockets up, why you stuck in slow mode?
Cool, right? That was all done by AI. Today, I am going to show you how you can make an Elon Musk rap song. So let's go. First, we will go to ChatGPT and ask, I want to create a rap song where Elon Musk is rapping. Please give me the lyrics and also keywords for the style of music because I will be using AI generators to create the song. Now copy the lyrics and then go to Suno. Here we can generate songs with AI for free. It is truly amazing. Go to Create and now add the lyrics. Next, add the style of music like this. Now add the song title and generate the song. It will generate 2 versions of the song, and we can already listen to it after 10 seconds.
Started from the code, now we run the whole globe. Singing rockets up while you stuck in slow mode. Neural in my brain, yeah, the data upload. AI in my veins, watch the vision explode. Never out of fuel, I just charge like a Tesla. Autopilot flows, let the beats get fresher. Cybertron flex, stainless steel on my chest. Turning dreams to reality, I don't second guess. I'm in Musk mode, rhythms unlock codes. Mars on my...
Okay, nice. Let's listen to the second one.
Started from the code, now we run the whole globe. Sending rockets up while you're stuck in slow mode. Neuralink my brain, yeah, the data upload. AI in my veins, watch the vision explode. Never out of fuel, I just charge like a Tesla. Autopilot flows, let the beats get fresher. Cybertruck flex, stainless steel on my chest. Turning dreams to reality, I don't second guess.
Okay, not bad. But for my liking, the vocals are a bit too messy. Meaning that if we want to make an AI cover out of this, it will be a lot harder. So I will remove some keywords about the vocal style and generate it again. Here is the first one.
Started from the code, now we run the whole globe. Sending rockets up while you stuck.
Here is the second one.
Now we run the whole...
Okay, yes, it is still not how I want it to be. And yes, I still have to delete this exact keyword and generate it again. This is the first result.
Started from the code, now we run the whole globe. Sending rockets up while you stuck in slow mode. Neuralink my brain, yeah, the data upload. AI in my veins, watch the vision explode. Never out of fuel, I just charge like a Tesla. Autopilot flows, let the beats get fresher. Cybertruck flex, stainless steel on my chest. Turning dreams to reality, I don't second guess. I'm in Musk mode, algorithms unlock.
Okay, nice. Much better. And this is the second result.
Started from the code, now we run the whole globe. Sending rockets up while you stuck in slow mode. Neuralink my brain, yeah, the data upload. AI in my veins, watch the vision explode. Never out of fuel, I just charge like a Tesla. Autopilot flows, let the beats get fresher. Cybertruck flex, stainless steel on my chest. Turning dreams to reality, I don't second guess. I'm in Musk mode.
I love this one. Let's use this one and download it. Okay, now we will create the AI cover so that Elon Musk is actually rapping the song. We will use Jammable, we can use it for free, and it is so easy to use. Simply use the search bar and search for Elon Musk. Now we will use this one because it has the most uses which indicated a good quality voice most of the time. Now click on Create Cover and upload the Suno song. Now press Next Step. And now we could opt to add some auto-tune, but we will leave it unchecked and now generate it. And after like 30 seconds it will be done. It is really fast. Let's have a listen.
Started from the code, now we run the whole boat. Send the rockets up, why you stuck in slow mode? Neuralink my brain, yeah, the data upload. BI in my veins, watch the vision explode. Never
Wow, amazing. But for my liking, the vocals are a bit too loud. So now we can easily download the vocals and instrumental separately and edit it. Now just add them both to CapCut. And lower the vocals to your liking and even add effects. If you own FL Studio or any other music editing program, you can also use that and add even more effects. I will do that and add some reverb, delay, and a little bit of auto-tune. Now export it. Okay, now open CapCut and add the original Suno song to the playlist. Now go to Captions and generate the auto lyrics. This way we do not have to type the lyrics ourselves, and we will use the original Suno song, because here the words are the most clearly. Now choose a template and correct some words if there are mistakes. Now let's replace the Suno song with the Elon Musk AI cover. Now next I want to have an album cover, so let's ask ChatGPT the following. Now I want to create an album cover for it. Please give me an image prompt in text form for that. Now copy it and go to the free-to-use AI image generator called Leonardo AI. It is amazing and we get daily 150 credits. Go there and paste the prompt. Choose your beloved aspect ratio and then generate your image. This will take around 30 seconds. Here it is. Let's download the one we like most. Now add it to CapCut. Now go to the effects and go to motion and add the particles effect. Just amazing. Add some filters. When you are done, export it in 4K. Before I am going to show you the end result, let me do the outro. And that's it. Now it's up to you. Create your own Elon Musk rap song with AI and go viral. Have a lot of fun. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you'll never miss another Mr. Lemon video. And guys, be sure to become a member and get access to all the membership perks. See you in the next video. Bye. Here is the end result.
Started from the code, now we run the whole globe. Send the rockets up, why you stuck in slow mode? Neuralink my brain, yeah, the data upload. BI in my veins, watch the vision explode. Never out of fuel, I discharge like a Tesla. Autopilot flow as that the beats gets flesh. Psychotron flex, stainless steel in my chest. Turning dreams to reality, and I'll second guess. Hunting must flow, algorithms unlock codes. Bars on my mind, yo, we're taking off the road. Tunnel through the game, at the boring on the load. Flame fill the mic, drop heat, then reload. But now they infested. Bitcoin cash till the stock manifested. Twitter figures turn the world to a threat. Haters talk flash, but I'm years ahead. We're the SpaceX, no sights on the stars. Tesla in the streets, now we float past cars. AI sipping knees up the pose in the bars. They're still catching up, but I'm chilling on Mars. Killing Musk mode, algorithms unlock codes. Mars on my mind, yo, we taking off the road. Tell up the McCain, got the boring on the load. Flame through the mic, drop heat and reload. Electric belt gas. Promise money, never living in the past. Next generation, I don't need a forecast. Only thing certain, I'll make it last. Yeah, I move like electric, no gas. Time is money, never living in the past. Next gen vision, I don't need a forecast. Only thing certain, I'ma make it last.